Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So as of now, actually we have load our data, and we saw like there is one issue with our data. Okay, like we have like so many of zeros in our data set, so that means this data is not labeled. Okay, so in this video what I will do, I will just make this data as label. Okay, I just need to remove these are the extra zeros. Okay, so now actually what I will do, I will write some of the code here. So guys, this is one logic I have prepared. So this code actually what it will do, it will just remove these are the extra zeros, okay, from this distribution. Okay, now if I just execute, okay, see it has removed that many of, you can say, zeros. Okay, and remaining, okay, 1463. Okay, now if I again plot the distribution, okay, now you'll see, let me do it. Okay, so the same code I'm running, I'm just running this histogram and I'm plotting the bar plot. Okay, now if I execute here, guys, now if you see this data actually now it is labeled. Okay, now if you see it is almost normally distributed. Okay, but if you see the previous one, so it's not like in a good distribution. Okay, here you have too many zeros. Okay, but after removing like extra zeros, okay, so I have applied this logic actually. So if you know Python, so I think you will understand like what I'm doing here. Okay, but you don't have to like understand, just use it as a template. Okay, so what it is basically doing, it's just trying to figure out like the range. Okay, I have defined, okay, this sample okay, per bins. So basically what it is doing, it is just trying to figure out the like threshold I have defined. Okay, after this threshold, what are the zeros are there, it's just trying to remove. Okay, and after that actually I'm plotting. Okay, see, this is the same code I'm running, plotting. Okay, now if you see this zeros has been removed, now I have till my 400, because here I have defined 400. If you see, okay, samples 400. If you just give 200, it will remove till 200. Okay, if you just give 300, it will remove till 300. Okay, so that's actually you can select. Okay, but I was doing some experiment. Okay, what I saw, like if I just keep it as 400, okay, it is working fine. Okay, so that's why I kept this 400. Okay, so yes guys, I think we have made a label of our data. So now I think it's done. Now what I will do, in the next video actually I will be doing trend split, okay, of our data. So yes guys, this was all about from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.